Dad, she wants to drive.
Oh, you can try after. Yeah. You don't want to try after? You can try after. Don't worry.
Just let her drive your Harley and we'll be all finished with it. Dad can't hear me. It's okay, lovey. You're going to get a turn, huh? It hurts again? Okay.